Thing that nobody ever asked for, I'm not chosen. The Mr. Gun. Bit of a band, the bit of fun. Somebody said it best. A non-fiction or a fictional view right over here. Wait till I go back over there. But bro. Hey man, all I'm gonna say is, my advice, I'm gonna give some advice to 21-year-old people my age. I'm the same age as y'all that I'm talking to, so y'all should really listen. But guys, figure out what it is that you would like to do. The quicker you figure out what you want to do, and that does require research. That requires research. You can't just out of the blue be like, oh yeah, I already know what I want to do out here, and it's 2024. So there's a lot of new things that compared to 2018 or sometime back then, there's new things out here that can elevate you and get you to where you want to be. So you actually have to research, guys. That's the one thing I feel like a lot of people my age, I'm 23, a lot of people my age, they're stuck because they don't even know what they want to do. I would say happenstance. I figured out what I wanted to do back when I was 17 in high school, was playing the game, the video game. It all started with a video game, but because of consistency and other things, it turned to more than just video game. It turned to a business, an empire, and now I'm out here in Dubai doing business, private equity, day trading, making money. You feel me? So, but I knew what I wanted at least early. You know what I mean? And one thing that I see with a lot of people my age, like I said, is they don't know what they want to do, but they don't put the time into figuring it out. So my advice would be, take some time to actually figure out what it is that you want to do. And you have to make sure that whatever it is that you want to do actually aligns with the goals and things like that that you want to achieve out of life. Hello. Yeah, you have to make sure you know what you're doing or researching or trying to get into. It can't actually get you the lifestyle that you want. That's the biggest thing. You can be a teacher but want to be in Dubai making money. How are you going to do that? To me, you can be in any country making money, but if your occupation does not literally allow you to do that, you're limited. So you have to research and do your due diligence. And with that being said, the reason why I'm able to be here and strive and also not only just spend money out here but make money out here is because of the skill of trading, day trading. The skill of day trading. I'm able to open up my computer or phone, do my quick analysis, place a trade, and make money. It's that simple. Either you're making money or you're losing money, but if you understand what you're doing, you're going to learn. If you lose, you're going to learn what to do better next time, and over time, you get better and better. So let me know in the comments if you guys want to learn how to trade, type trading. If you want to see views like this only. But that's on you guys, bro. Like views like this, and making money while doing it is honestly the number one fulfilling thing I think I am feeling as a 23-year-old, is able to pursue my passions because of trading, but more importantly, be anywhere in this world and still understand that, okay, I can add funds to my wallet. I can pay for things out here. That is crazy, guys. That's freedom. That's location freedom. That's time freedom. And that's financial freedom. I don't really know a lot of other things that give you all of that. So, hey man. It's your boy K Dizzy. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm out.